The perfect blend between day cruising and fishing is the Grady-White Freedom model. This is the 307, 30 foot in size with a 10.7 beam, very large size boat to be able to do the fishing and day cruising that you want to do. Powered with twin 300 horsepower Yamaha engines, this boat will get you out round trip for about 250 miles. So you really have an endless possibility of where you want to go. Let's hop inside and take a look. All right, like I said, this boat mixes the best of fishing and pleasure boating all in one package. As you can see, we have a very nice large socializing space back here, but you still have the fish box, live well for your fishing amenities, rod storage on the side, and as you can see on this very large hard T-top here, you have rod storage on the side, as well as a retractable sunshade to really cover the back of the boat for the days when you're out at the island or the sandbar. Nice summer kitchen here for any type of food prep, sandwich, snacks. Very large co-captain seat as well as the captain seat, very comfortable. Garmin display, Yamaha display as well, so you can see all of your engine information. Helmmaster, which has a joystick, fish point, stay point, autopilot, all of those very nice accessory features. Center walkthrough, storage here on the side, as well as a nice head here on the port side. Wraparound seating in the front for socializing. You can close this window here and this door to really block off the wind if it's a nice chilly day and you don't want that wind direction on you. Windlass anchor in the front, very nice and easy to be able to push a button, drop the anchor, pull it back up, quick and easy, you're in and out. And that's the Grady-White 307 Freedom here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. Love to show it to you in person. If you have time, stop by. See you on the water.